A vector v has a magnitude of 5 units and makes an angle of 36.9 degrees to the positive x-axis. Write this vector in component form. So if we draw a diagram, so here we have the x and y axis. So the angle is measured from the positive x-axis. So we have a vector here, which is a line segment with an arrow on it, and this means the magnitude. This is what the symbol is for. Magnitude has a length of 5. Magnitude means the length of the line. So we know what to write the vector in component form. So vectors can be split into a component form, into a horizontal component and a vertical component. So the horizontal component is here, and using a little bit of trigonometry, using this right angled triangle, we can say that the magnitude of v times the cos of this angle 36.9, which is the magnitude, which is 5 times the cos of 36.9, which gives me 4, is the what's known as the horizontal component. We can also have a vertical component, and the vertical component, again using a bit of trigonometry, is going to be the magnitude of v times the sine opposite. The magnitude of v is the sine of 36.9, which gives me 5 sine 36.9, which is going to give me 3 in this case. So we can write down the vector v in what's known as component form, which is 5 cos 36.9 degrees, 5 sine 36.9 degrees, horizontal component, vertical component. This is how far we go in the I direction. So the I direction is a unit in the horizontal direction with 1 unit, and the j is a vertical vector with 1 unit. These are called the base unit vectors. So that can be written as 4, 3, or 4 lots of I plus 3 lots of j. So make sure, please, that you're actually underlining your vectors, please. Now, in general, a vector written in component form is the magnitude of the vector times the cos of its angle, and the vertical component is the magnitude of the vector times the sine of its angle, or magnitude of v cos of theta I plus the magnitude of v sine theta j. Okay, so there's been a video to show how to change a vector which is in magnitude direction form into what's known as component form. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.